On everyone, got a 2024 Chevy Silverado remote right here, and today I'm going to show you how to open it up if you want to replace the battery. So on the left side here, there's a button that we're going to push, and that's going to allow us to remove the emergency key. And once we get the emergency key out, it's going to let us get to the bottom part of the remote that lets us access the little slot that's right here on the corner. That's going to allow us to take off this panel. That'll give us access to the battery. And if you look, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver that's pretty small. There's a little slot right here. Okay, I hope you can see. There's a lot of things going on here, but we're going to put it in right here. All right, and I'm just going to give this a twist, and it'll open up the back of the remote. We just take it off like that. Now there is a rubber seal that just hopped right out. We're going to have to put that back when we go to put the battery back together, the remote back together. All right, so here's our battery, and the screwdriver just to pop the battery right out. I'll show you what size it is. It's a CR2450, and when you get your new one, just put it in bottom first, click it in here. Here's our seal. It's going to need to go the back half of the remote. Get back on these feet right here. They like to come off pretty easily, so just put it on here the best you can. It might be backwards. Let's see here. There we go. And we just put all this back together like this. Snap it together. Good to go, and you're done. Emergency key back in. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment.